We're here at the Wickenburg Community Hospital and Clinic with Peter, who's letting us know that this is one of the main staples here in the Wickenburg area to help the community stay healthy.
Absolutely.
And you're very proud of this place, aren't you?
Very much so. Wickenburg Community Hospital has been here for a very, very long time. I have seen it grow. I have seen it expand. I've seen it become very, very prominent in this community for healthcare services of all kinds.
Yeah, and it's not just right here in Wickenburg. You actually service surrounding areas too, don't you?
We do. We have satellite clinics in the town of Congress, in Whitman. Both of those areas are actually, we're looking at even expanding those services, growing into new locations. And on top of that, we have a mobile clinic that's going to be rolled out at the end of summer that will allow us to have bring services to even further areas here.
Yeah. You also have an urgent care that's very important to this community too.
Urgent care has been a very, very important need out here. The populations nowadays, people tend to go to urgent cares more so than establishing with primary physicians, which we have a great team of primary physicians. But we opened up about a year ago and it's been very, very successful. And before the end of the year, we're even moving that to a new location. So we're really excited about that too.
I like it. Well, people think because it's Wickenburg that it's going to be, we could say old school medicine, but that's not true. You are very progressive. You have new technology here.
We have new technology as far as nuclear medicine, CAT scans, laboratory. We use robotics for our orthopedic surgery. We have an infusion center here. We have literally full service here. We have an agreement with City of Hope, so we're providing cancer care here as well. And we also have a retail pharmacy, which is something a lot of hospitals don't have. I could go on and on. I mean, we have so many services that we try to provide folks. And really what we try to do is be that one-stop store for them, so to speak.
Yeah.
People have choices. You know, people could go wherever they want for healthcare. We want to be the choice for them in our community.
Yeah, and the reason why is that this community is growing, and so you're making sure people know when you do move up here, you don't have to worry about getting back down to the valley to be taken care of. It's right here in your own backyard.
You know, it's interesting. You know, our service area is so large, it's not unusual for people to have to travel an hour plus to come here for a 5-minute test. But if those services aren't offered here, they're going to travel, an hour here and perhaps even an hour longer to Scottsdale. So we want to keep folks here in the community and not impact their lives by excessive travel.
Yeah, and there's a lot of new changes going on here, a lot of expansion going on that you're very proud of, aren't you?
Absolutely.
So very nice. All right, how can people find out more information about the hospital?
Obviously, you could go to our webpage, www.wickhosp.com, as well as social media. We are out there everywhere.
So I love it. Well, Peter, thanks very much for having us here.
Absolutely.
This is great. So thank you.